What is up, YouTube? WWE Toy Collector here with a big unboxing video. Just came from ringsidecollectibles.com. Check them out if you guys haven't. Let me get a little closer for you guys. I've been waiting for months just for this box to come. Are we ready to do this? Guys, they're here. Now let's do this. Got my pocket knife. Let's see. Guys, this is it. The moment I've been waiting for. The big unboxing. They're here. Okay, the first up I'm going to show you is Ringside Collectibles exclusive Brock Lesnar. I finally got him. Really cool. The flashback. Brock Lesnar is the man. WWE World Heavyweight Champion right now. Brock Lesnar. This is the back of the box. Next, finally got the Ringside exclusive Edge, the rated R superstar. I don't think you guys can see it well because the lighting in here is very terrible. Wow, the Edge looks pretty sick. You guys haven't seen the back of the box already? There it is. New logo, ho. Shout out to Grim for that. Now, the moment I've been waiting for. Elites 33. They are here. Antonio Cesaro comes with the Andre the Giant Memorial, right? Yeah, Memorial Trophy. And it breaks. Back of the box. Okay, next is the sellout Seth Rollins out of date figure. Well, it's still in date, but still with the vest. Tag team title. Oh snap, the tag team title actually looks different. Back to the box, same thing. I want to save the best for last, man. Okay, who's next? The future of WWE, Roman Reigns. Man, this one's pretty nice, man. Finally got the Elite Roman Reigns. Elites 33, folks. Back of the box. Who we got? Who we got next? They made the box so tight. Here he comes. Blue Tista. Now remember, he came out in this blue outfit at Extreme Rules. So this is, wait, no. Payback. Yeah, he came out in Payback in blue. But I think he also came out in Extreme Rules as in blue. So there we go, we got Batista. Really nice figure. Alright, next up is Flashback, first time in the line. Junkyard Dog. You guys can see it. Junkyard Dog's pretty sick, man. You guys know I love the flashbacks. And we finally got Junkyard Dog. So this is awesome. Can't wait. Excited for that. Finally, last but not least, save the best for last. Last guy from D Generation X. X-Pac. First time in the line, flashback. It includes the European title, just like the Elite 16 Shawn Michaels. This is a really nice figure. Finally got it. Comes with the D Generation X shirt. It's in perfect condition. Finally, Elites 33. That's all. I'm surprised Ringside didn't even leave one of those paper things that always comes with. Oh, that's it. Finally unboxed the Elite 33. I actually pre-ordered this with my own money, so this is an early Christmas present for me. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video. This was, I think, the best one ever in WWE Toy Collector's history in videos. I recommend getting Elite 33 because they're all sick. The set is sick. Christmas is coming up. I will be making a video around that time because I can't buy anything right now. Like, I'm looking for Elite 32, so I have to wait till Christmas for this stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Finally got this, and I just can't wait to see what the future holds. Been waiting a long time for this. Finally got it. I thank you guys so much for waiting, especially the guys out there that leaves great comments. And on Instagram, shout out to, oh man, I forgot the guy's name. Oh man, the next video I'll post up, I'll leave his Instagram name. But I posted up a mystery box of what I got. These were the mystery box, and that dude got it right. It was the Elite 33, but he didn't say Edge and Brock Lesnar, but he still got it right though. He was the closest one. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like it, leave a comment, and always subscribe for more. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at WWE Toy Collector 1. And I hope you guys enjoy your day and have a Merry, Merry Christmas to all of you guys out there. I'll be signing off right now, and I'll see you guys next time. Click the button.